Pastor Larry and Pastor Tiz and all of our friends at the New Beginnings Ministries in Dallas, Texas. I'm here at Ben Gurion Airport, and in just a short while, a plane full of new Olim, of new immigrants, just over 200 or so, will be landing. And none of this would be possible if it weren't for you and your love and dedication and commitment to Israel, to the Jewish people, and to Keren HaYesod. Those new immigrants are going to land here and fulfill the words of the prophets and start their new lives here in Israel, in the Jewish state, and in the Promised Land. And from the bottom of our hearts, on behalf of Keren HaYesod and on behalf of the state of Israel, I want to thank you, Pastor Larry and Pastor Tiz, and all of you at New Beginnings Church. You know, I think it's not a coincidence that your ministries is called New Beginnings, because that's what these new Olim, new immigrants to Israel, on this very day, thanks to you, will have a new beginning and new beginnings for each of them. And all of our thoughts and prayers are with you, and thank you for what you do to fulfill the words of the prophet of Jeremiah, to bring together in returning home to Israel the Jews from all four corners of the earth. So we wish a speedy recovery, and we send our love and we say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We're so excited to be here, and for all of you, the Olim today, each and every one of you, this flight may have just taken a few hours, but the journey that you made today is historic. And by arriving here, you're fulfilling the dreams of thousands of years. You've returned to Zion, to Zion, to a free and independent, thriving Jewish state. And I can promise you on behalf of Keren HaYesod that together with the Jewish Agency, the Ministry of Aliyah Klita, and all of our other partners, that we will continue to do that what we have done successfully for almost 100 years, helping new Israelis like yourselves to build the future that you want and to make your dreams come true. I just want to mention our partners and our contributors who made this day possible, but nobody has done more for this flight in particular than Pastor Larry Huck and Pastor Tiz Huck from the Ministry of New Beginnings from Texas to bring Jews from the four corners of the earth back to our homeland. And through their work, we're seeing before our eyes the fulfillment of the prophecy of Jeremiah that the Jewish people will return to their borders. Unfortunately, Pastor Huck, Pastor Larry, and Pastor Tiz are unable to join with us today. But thanks to them, in part, all of this is possible, and we want to tell Pastor Larry and Pastor Tiz, thank you for making this happen. Our prayers and our wishes are with you during this challenging time for a speedy recovery. And for all of you, the Olim, you will have many new beginnings, and we wish you a Klita Tova, an Aliyah Tova, and Shechianu Vigianu, Ozman Hazeh, Kama Tov Shebatem Abaita, welcome home.